Hello YouTube world, welcome back to Splitting Tracks Pheasantry. This is Ben here, I am your host, and today I'm going to show you the most famous yellow golden pheasant on the planet. Alright guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to another one. So yeah, I'm just chilling, hanging out in the pheasant's pen. You know, typically normal, everyday stuff. Well, except when I'm at work. But yeah, I'm here hanging out with the red golden. Can you see that? He was chill just a while ago. He was just hanging out and everything, and there's a bird flying up in the sky, and they all got spooked, and now they're on a let's run along the pin phase. See this rock right here, guys? Remember I talked about this? If anybody who knows Splitting Tracks knows the rock, this is the rock that's been, you know, the mound or the throne to my red golden. I take a lot of pictures while they're up on this, playing around. Yeah, like I said, it's something they like to play on and nest in, and right now I'm going to use it as a chair. Works for that too. So did you guys know that the red golden pheasant, aka Chinese golden pheasant, aka just golden pheasant, or even aka rainbow pheasant, yeah, that's the name for this beautiful bird. Well, anyways, this species right here, this color type right here, this is the color type found in the wild right here. There are a lot of color mutations off this guy, not hybrids, color mutations. Many. I won't go into each one of them right now, but one of those color mutations is the yellow golden pheasant, aka Gigi yellow golden pheasant, and that is my personal favorite out of the color mutations. Yeah, the peach ones are nice. I kind of like those too. I don't have them. You know, they've always sparked my interest, if you will, but I just didn't like the way they didn't breed true. I like animals that breed true to their color and to themselves. You know, I didn't want to get into developing or breeding this bird to this bird and get a peach and that bird. There's a lot of breeding back and forth going on to get those, and I don't know everything about it. So yeah, the peach pheasant, they're a color mutation off the golden pheasant. You guys like those, go and check those things out, they're pretty cool. But yeah, my favorite yellow golden pheasant is one of the ones I'm going to show you today, guys. Yeah, this bird is pretty cool, and I think you guys know what I'm talking about, Mr. Electric. So I'm here now hanging out in Mr. Electric's pen, and this guy right here, I know I showed you guys many times. I post him a lot because he's very postable, and out of all the reels and everything that I posted of him, he's gotten well over 4 million views, and yeah, every time I post him, people just go crazy. They love him. So I'm gonna do this video just about him. Alright, so there he is. He's not wanting to dance around right now, but usually he does when I come out with the camera. I'll put on a show. Yeah, this guy right here, he is one famous bird. He's gotten all kinds of questions from people all over the world. you know, and every time I post him, he just seems to blow up. So there's a little something extra for him. I'll tell you about him. He's in a pen here with his 3 ladies. These sweet yellow golden hens. How you doing, mamas? Hey, hi, mamas. See how sweet these girls are? How many pheasants can you guys know can do that? Just sit there and pet them. Yeah, he's got some sweet ladies. Come on, girl. There's one up there. Or 2 up there, sorry. I don't think we're gonna get much of a show out of him today. Okay, I was wrong. Of course he's gonna do something for us. There he is. Uh-oh, there he is. He's getting excited now. He knows it's showtime. Hey, buddy. So yeah, sometimes he'll be dancing for these girls all day long. And of course, they don't want nothing to do with him. And so he'll try to get to the girls next door by doing this little charade here. He actually wants these girls next door. Here's my other yellow golden. He's not as lively as Mr. Electric, but he's still a beautiful bird. Actually, looks wise, he trumps Mr. Electric. He's a little bit brighter than Mr. Electric and all that, but he's as far as his personality goes, he ain't got much of one. He's just all looks. And he's got his few ladies in here too. Nice pattern on that girl. You got a barred tail. There. This one right here, she's got an excellent stance. Very good body conformation. He's in the middle pen of 3 pins. I showed you guys this one over here. There, let's see the right of him. And then over here, we have an up and coming male. He's not fully colored out yet. But by next fall, he'll be looking pretty good. He's unrelated to the hens in here. Same family from many generations back, but still a very good source of outside blood. So yeah, while I'm out here, I might as well get some of the other yellow golden pheasant. See why he needs a name. He needs a name, so you guys know who I'm talking about. The yellow golden pheasant that I just showed you guys, not Mr. Electric, but the neighboring one. The one I said has who's just very pretty and all looks, not much personality. All right, dude, we hear you. Oh, really? Squeak, squeak, squeaky boy. Come on, we're waiting. Are you all done there? All right, that was Mr. Electric. So yeah, here's this guy right here. I personally think that he is just overall a better looking bird than Mr. Electric. He has the longer flowing tail. I mean, look at that thing. And his yellow coloring is brighter, almost like a neon colorish, you know, with that like bright golden yellow neon tint to him. And Mr. Electric, he is bright too, but he's more of the orangish tinge, I want to say. He's not orange, but you know, just I'm being overly obsessive with the color. You know, he's still a very beautiful bird. He just has a tint. His tint goes more towards the orange side, even though he's still bright yellow. If that makes any sense, I don't know. I spend a lot of time out here with these birds, so I notice these little details like that. Like, I can explain what I'm explaining to you guys to my wife, and she'll look at me like I'm crazy. I don't know what you're talking about. They both look the same. But come on, you bird nuts know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, there he is. We need to name you, dude. Tired of calling you the neighbor bird, the neighboring yellow. I'll get some of those ladies too. There's one over here. Alright guys, more live action from Mr. Electric. He's getting in that mood again. Come on, buddy, give him a show. There he is. And on he goes. And there she goes. What you gonna do now, buddy? Oh yeah, you got two more, huh?